Hi guys, welcome back to Forge Rivet. Just a short video here. I've now made my riveting tools. Initially I made the monkey tool, which was made out of the toe ball. This is it here, which you would have hopefully seen that video. And I made a couple of rivets with that. Then I made my rivet setting tool, which is this one, which was the latest video that I've uploaded, with the little depression in the top for making the top of the head. So knock the rivet in, put the rivet in there, form the head of it there, flip it over, drop it in the hardy hole, put the tongs on top, hit it down, flip the tongs over, hit it down and form up the rivet head. So I'm now going to make a short video on replacing the nut and bolt that I used in my initial video on making tongs without a forge, and going to replace that with one of my rivets. So we'll see how we go. Okay, catch you at the end of the video. Okay, first time doing this job, so the idea is perfect timing for the compressor. So I've got my rivet hot, so what I want to do is pull it out, try and drop it through there, flip this over onto there, and then round it off. Hit it down, round it off. Hopefully that'll work. Hopefully it's not too long, too big. We'll see. Should be plenty of room on the boss to be able to take it. So that on there, that on there. I might have to grind that down into the future too, because that doesn't quite come in all the way there, but once the rivet's there it should hold it up in the right spot. I'm hoping so. See if I can get it in. I haven't got any tongs because I'm making my tongs, so I'm having to struggle and do it with a pair of pliers. Hopefully that'll be alright. Have to heat them up again just to get them to open up. That top rivet's not the best, so we'll heat up the tongs themselves. See if we can get it done. See, I've put a grounder striking point on there, so that when I'm using that to make a rivet, I can then put that on there and strike that. Probably won't get it out now. The spare I made. Well, that seemed to go all right. There was a couple of issues here and there. One side of the rivet is a little bit larger than the other. As you can see, this one's a little bit bigger, that one's a little bit smaller. They turned out okay, I thought. Looking pretty good. I've given them a coat of beeswax and linseed oil, so they've got that nice matte black finish to them now. They're all oiled up, so will stay open if I open them all the way, but move pretty well. So I'm happy with those. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.